Alright, so today we are going to be adding Pinlock to the Quin Spitfire helmet. Now, obviously this Pinlock instructional video will work for pretty much any Pinlock helmet. This one's specific to this Quin helmet because I just got it and I'm adding Pinlock to it today. So you want to start by checking your user manual if you haven't removed your shield before. There's usually going to be a process of steps that you would do to remove your shield. This one has a quick detach. So it flexes forward, pops out, it goes like that. So it's pretty easy. You don't have to use any tools for this one in particular. But you want to be real careful when you're doing this because you don't want to break any of the mechanism. So that removed, and we'll set the helmet to the side, and now you've just got your shield. So next step is, and you want to make sure your hands are clean for this as well. The next step is you're going to want to use, now I highly recommend these. You can get them on Amazon, I'll link them in the description, but really anything like this will work. But this is the Optics 55 Pre-Moistened lens wipe, and I use these to clean all the shields in my helmets. So I'm just gonna give this a quick once over. I'm doing the outside and the inside just so I have it. But the main thing is obviously the inside, because once we add the Pinlock, we'll only be able to access the inner portion of this. So it's important that it's clean. And the reason I'm recommending the lens wipe is because that will actually dry pretty quickly, so we don't accidentally trap any moisture in there once we put the Pinlock on. So we'll set that up here, give that a chance to dry. While that's drying, go ahead and open up the Pinlock shield. It does come with its own cleaning cloth as well. And you can use this, since it's microfiber, you can use this just to make sure that you don't have any dust in there. Again, because anything that we have in there will get trapped. So we'll pop this open. Oh, actually it just unfolds. And we're going to leave that film on there to start. So you'll see it's got a clear film that comes off and it's see-through underneath. So we'll leave that for now. And the key with this is, again, you want to make sure you don't have anything stuck to the inside of this. Make sure it's nice and clean. And then what I've seen done, and it's worked for me, is I'll always just flex it out like this. Go ahead and pop that Pinlock in there, and then when you flex it back, you're all set. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You get that on there, get the nice tight seal around there. And now this one's a little bit different. This is actually a reactive lens. They say it's for the track only, but obviously if it's clear when it's dark, then it's perfectly safe for road use, but obviously that's totally up to you. But we'll go ahead and peel this off of here. Now, I have a comparison review for the Quin helmet. I'll link that in the description. And then also, I'm going to be making today a review of this tinted lens so that we can see, or actually transitional lens, so we can see how well, hopefully, how well it works. So we'll get the fingerprints off the top of there, and we can go ahead and reinstall our shield.